Mr. Miss Customer, we're going to do this on your behalf.
Yep.
Okay. You should not be going through ticket data.
Yep.
We will do this for you.
Yep.
And I think there's a few sides to that. As one, you want to build trust. So
Absolutely.
I think by doing that, it's like okay, I'm taking something off of their plate.
Right. Right.
And then if we are calling balls and strikes the same way that they're calling balls and strikes, now they're trusting the data. So
Yep.
if we're saying something is good when it's not good, now we're not building trust because now the
Right.
data isn't accurate.
Exactly.
So if we can come to an agreement on what balls and strikes look like, now we can use that to have the data tell the story. And we developed this like stoplight method of green is good, follow the process.
Yep.
We use the knowledge article, we resolve the incident, or we escalated to the right team, had proper work notes and expectations set, et cetera, et cetera. This is a perfect ticket.
Right.
This is
Right.
green. Red is we had process for this. We had knowledge
Right.
for this. We didn't follow it. We sent it to the wrong group. We didn't resolve it when we could have,
Mm-hmm.
et cetera. We would call that out.
Yeah.
And then yellow is here's a collaborative opportunity to do process improvement, whether that's
Mm-hmm.
around process or knowledge, technology, et cetera. And we would keep stats on that. So percentage green, percentage yellow, percentage red. Over time, of course, the first one not good. You're not proud of that. It's not a happy moment. But it's not that the current state is poor. It's really how you respond to
Right.
that, and by being transparent, by
Absolutely.
by by communicating what you're doing to resolve it, and then
Sure.
keeping track. Of course, those calls got better and better. They moved from weekly to biweekly to monthly. Actually, today they're still a customer. We do more services for them than we did before, and we don't have to have those calls anymore.
Right.
So
And that's
yeah.
I think that's kind of one of those things where I really like no, this is what a lot of people, like I said, people want to know that they're not alone,
Right.
right? They want to
Yeah.
know like we're not the only ones out there that there isn't a tough spot. And there are ways to get better. The way that you start doing that is by pairing it with the data and
Mhm.
reporting it out.